Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us complete our that day class. In that class, some topic was left regarding addition by one's complement. In today's class, I will teach you the further thing about this chapter. In previous class, I taught you about the binary representation in which unsigned integer, signed and magnitude was the topic. In today's topic, I will cover the further points of this chapter. So let us start our today's class with additions by one's complement. Additions by one's complement. In this, there is first case. The first case says what? Addition of positive and negative number when positive number has greater magnitude. Magnitude, that means greater in value. Greater in value. When positive number has greater magnitude, magnitude always counts as 7 bit. 1 bit is reserved for what? Sign. Then take simply one's complement of negative number and the end around carry of the sum is added to the least significant bit. This situation will be more clear by this given example. In this example, we have to add 1 1 1 0 with minus 1 1 0 1. Here the magnitude of positive number is more than the negative number. So take one's complement of negative number, that is 1101. I taught you in the previous class how to take out the complement of negative number, one's complement of negative number. First of all, take the positive number, then complement it. So here also I have taken 1101, which will be converted with by using one's complement. So in place of 1 there is 0 and in place of 0 there is 1. Now add with the given number. What is the given number? That is, the number is 1110. When you add these two numbers, you will get the result 1000000. There is 5 digits but 5 bits, but your data is having 4 bit. So add the last carry bit to the LSB of that number, and when you add this number, then you will get the number. Now let me explain this by writing all the things in proper manner. See, here two numbers are there, 1110, and the other number is minus 1101. Its magnitude is greater than this value. So we have to first do what? First of all, you should convert it into one's complement. What is the rule? You take the positive one, 1101. Here you can see I have taken the same thing, is equals to what? When you do the ones complement of this number, you will get 0010. All 1 converted in 0 and all zeros converted in 1. Now the next step is what? After getting this value, you just add this by this 110. Add this by 110. So you will get the result 1000. So this one is your carry bit. Carry bit. So what you have to do with this? You just add this carry bit. You just add this carry bit over here. Then you will get the value 0001, and this will be your answer for this question. So keep in mind how to solve this question. Note that if the register size is big, then fill the same value of MSB to preserve sign, magnitude for input and output. So always keep in mind, if the size of register, if the size of register is more than 4, here bit is only 4, so I have added that carry bit over here. If the size of register is more than 4, so you should write this like that only. Okay, now the second case, addition of positive and negative number when negative number has greater magnitude. In that case, what you will do? In the first case, you saw that the magnitude of positive number is greater, but if the magnitude of negative number is greater, then what will you have to do? When the negative number has greater magnitude, then take 1's complement of negative number and add with given positive number. Since there will not be any end around carry bit, so take 1's complement of the result and this result will be your negative. This will be more clear by seeing this example. Add 1010 and minus 1100 in 5-bit register. Now you see here 5-bit register is given. Note that there are 5-bit registers, so these new numbers will be 01010 and minus 01100. So the size is increases now. Now take 1's complement of 01100. As I told you before, you have to take 1's complement of negative number. Negative number firstly taken as positive and then invert it by using 1's complement and add 01010, that means the positive number, with the result of 1's complement, that means 10011. You will get the result 11101. Then take 1's complement of this result also, which will be 00010, and this will be negative number, that is negative 00010, which is the answer. Now this will also very clear when I will explain. See, here two numbers are 1 0 1 0, other number 1 1 0 0. The magnitude of this one is greater than this one, so and you have to represent it in 5-bit register, so the new number will be like this: 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 1 0 0. This will be my new 5-bit numbers. Now take 1's complement of this one. What will be the 1's complement for this number? All 0 will be converted in 1's and all 1's will be converted into 0. This is my 1's complement of this number. Now add the positive number into it. Add it. The positive number is this: 0 1 0 1 0. Add it. 1 0, there is one carry, 1 1 1. This is my result of addition of two numbers. Now, as in the definition says, whatever the result is there, you take 1's complement of that result. Now 1's complement of this number is, convert it all 1 into 0 and all 1 into 0. Now the 1's complement of 1101 is 00010. Then now you are having what? The 1's complement of 11101 is 0 0 0 1 0. In the last line, it said, since there will not be any end around carry bit, so take ones complement of the result. That means this is my result and this is my ones complement, and this result will be negative. So you have to write it like this, minus 0 0 0 1 0. So this will be your answer. So this is the solution of this question and this technique. So always keep in mind, there are three cases. In first case, addition of positive and negative numbers when positive number has greater magnitude. Second case, addition of positive and negative numbers when negative number has greater magnitude. Last case is what? Addition of two negative numbers. In this, what will happen? You need to take ones complement for both numbers. Here you have to take the ones complement of both the numbers. Then add these ones complement of numbers. Since there will always be end around carry bit, so add this again to the MSB of the result. Now take ones complement also of previous result. So this will be negative number. Alternatively, you can add both negative number directly and get this result, which will be negative only. By definition, I am very sure that you are not able to understand. Let us understand it with this example. Example is what? Add minus 1010 and minus 0101 in 5-bit register. 5-bit, these 5-bit numbers now will be like that, minus 01010 and minus 00101, means 0 is added in both numbers to make it 5-bit register. Now add complements of these numbers. Whatever the number is, you just complement of that, do the complement of that, then add this. After adding, you will get the desired result, which is in front of you all. 10101 plus 11010 will give you 101111. Since there is a carry bit 1, so add this to the LSB of result. LSB means the lowest significant bit of that number. When you added this number, you get a new result, that is 10000. Now take the ones complement of the result, which will be 0111, and this number is negative, so the answer will be minus 01111, which is the answer. Now let me clear it. See here, the numbers are minus 1010. Then the next number is minus 0101. Since it is 5-bit register, we have to represent in 5-bit register, we have to add 0 here and here. So the number will be minus 01010 and minus 00101. This is my numbers. Now first of all, you have to take the ones complement, and as I told you before, you have to take out the positive numbers ones complement. So the numbers are 01010, complement of it 10101. After that, the other number is 00101, complement of this 11010. You can see here also the same thing is here. The same thing is here. Now add this number. When you add this number, you will get result 1111, 0 and 1 is extra bit over here. So you just add this extra bit over here, and when you are going to add this, you will get number 10000. So this is the addition of these two numbers. Now what you have to do, of number 100, again you do ones complement of it. You will get the number 0111, and in this one you have to add negative sign, and this will be your desired result. So this is the rule to add two negative numbers using ones complement. To make it more clear, you just see the video one time, two time, three time, and do by with me what how I am doing. You just do like that, you will get the understanding that how you will solve this type of problem. There is one important point in this one. Note that end around carry bit addition occurs only in one's complement arithmetic operation but not in two's complement arithmetic operation. It will more clear this point by when I will teach you two's complement. So the next topic is two's complement. Two's complement representation. First of all, definition of this. Two's complement is a mathematical operation on binary numbers and is an example of radix complement. It is used in computing as a method of signed number representation. The two's complement of an n bit number is defined as its complement with respect to 2 to the power n. The definition will be more clear when I will tell you the example, and this is one of the easiest topic you can understand very easily. Note, 2's complement of a number is calculated by adding 1 to its ones complement. For example, suppose I have taken a number 7. The binary representation of 7 is 0, 1, 1 and 1. It is the number to be represented as 2's complement. Then first of all, whatever the number is, you change it into one's complement. So the number is converted into one's complement. One's complement of 011 is equals to 100. Then the 2's complement of this number is what? Just add 1 in it and you will get the 2's complement of that number. How? See, 7 is the number. Binary representation of this number is this 0, 1, 1, 1. Now 0, 1, 1 is the number. One's complement of this number is 1, 0, 0. 2's complement says just add 1 in it and you will get the desired result 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is my 2's complement of 7. Next example. Minus 5 is the number to be represented as 2's complement. That number is positive number. Now this number is negative number. Positive expression, the same procedure we have to do. First of all, we have to convert it into positive expression of a number. Minus 5 is represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now many one will say, sir, minus 5 can be written as minus 1, 0, 1. Yes, you are right. But whenever we will find this type of thing, you always keep in mind total number which is a word of n bits can present using 2's complement representation are 2 to the power n. And 2 to the power n means here you can say A 4-bit word can represent 2 to the power 4 equals to 16 numbers. If it is 2 to the power 5, then 32 numbers. 2 to the power 6, then it should be 64 numbers. According to that. Here also, positive expression of a number is 000000101. Now one's complement of this number is 1111010. Add 1 in it, you will get the desired result. For more understanding, you can go through to your book also. These types of examples is given in your book. You will understand by that. So this is the last topic for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.